There is only one way to clean grout if you expect the sealer coat to stay attached for years instead of months. Our equipment fights the effects of gravity. The cocktail of water, dissolved dirt and chemicals gets automatically removed before it can penetrate deep inside the grout. By cleaning the grout with mops and brushes, you can achieve two things: a surface that appears clean and a grout body absolutely packed with dirt and chemicals. Just because you don't see the dirt doesn't mean it's not there. Sealers do not stick to dirt, period. What our equipment does is way more than cleaning. We extract dirt. That's the name of our company.